Hello everyone, welcome back to our QGIS tutorial video. We have already discussed what vector and raster data are in our previous tutorials. So if you haven't watched the past tutorials yet, we encourage you to first view them to get general overview on QGIS, its data types, its graphical user interface and so on. In this video, we will work with vector data. Giving a general overview, we will show you how to load shapefiles and delimited text layer in QGIS, as these data sources are the most common and basic ones used in QGIS. Also, we will show you how to create and edit shapefiles and reorder the layers in the layer panel. So first, loading data. For this, first go to add a vector layer. It's in layer, add a vector layer, or you can simply use this icon and you can select a file from your desktop. So I'll browse and I'll select the Kathmandu Valley save file. So in this video we are going to use the vector layer of the Kathmandu Valley. I'll open it. Now you can see a vector layer of the Kathmandu Valley in the map canvas in terms of how they are listed. If you want to know more about what's in the vector file, then you can open the attribute table. You can view the attribute table by right-clicking on the layer and choosing the Open Attribute Table option. The attribute table contains the data of each administrative division, that is districts in the valley. So here you can see the detailed data that is in the save file. So you can close this. Now let's move to create and edit save files. To begin with, a save file is a simple non-topological format for storing the geometric location and attribute information of geographic features. Geographic features in a save file can be represented by points, lines, or polygons. So to create a similar save file that we loaded, click on Layer, Create Layer, New Save File Layer. You can select points, lines, or polygons. You can make a save file with points, lines, or polygons. Here I'm using points. Select the coordinate system. Now you can add field in your attribute table. So I'll be adding district. It's a text data. So add to fields list. Latitude. These are decimal number. Add to fields list. And longitude. It is also a decimal number. So for now, this much. I'll click OK. I'll save this. Practice points. Okay. Now you can see the point layer here. So when you open the attribute table, there is no data but just a row with the name of the columns. So to add points, you need to go to toggle editing, or you can simply use this icon and you can add feature here. So you can add points. I'll name this 1, 2, 3. Now I will save the edits and I'll stop the toggle editing. So when I open the attribute table now, we have 3 data points and you can edit the districts here by clicking the edit option. So I'll name it Kathmandu, Tapur, Lalitpur. So I'll save this and I'll close it. Now when I open the attribute table, I can see what I edited. So in this way you can edit a save file. Now let's move to loading delimited text file, that is CSV files. Tabular data, that is the data from CSV files, are very common and widely used format. The data can be viewed and edited easily and is simple to interpret and understand. Here, a delimited text file is an attribute table in an attribute table with each column separated by a defined character and each row separated by a line break. The first row usually contains the name of the columns, as you can see here. A common type of delimited text file is a CSV, comma separated values. So this is an example of CSV file. So first what we need to do is convert the Excel file to CSV file if you haven't, but this is already converted. So I'll go to QGIS again and I'll select layer, add layer, add delimited text layer, or I can simply use this and I can browse the file. So I'll select the weather DHM stations that I showed you previously. And in X field, I will select the longitude, and in Y field, I'll select the latitude. So click OK. Now you can view the data here. So this is how we load a CSV file in QGIS. Now let's move to reordering the layers. The layer in the layer list in the map are drawn in a certain order. The bottom layer is drawn first and the top layer is drawn at last. By changing the order in the layer list, the order in the map gets changed too. Like, see, when we move this in upward, when we move this to the top, then it overlaps the weather's DHM stations. So I do not need this and I'll change it back. So in this way we can reorder the layers. We can always use this tool, or you can select or not select the layers as well. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will continue working on vector data, where we will show you how to change the layer symbology, that is its visual appearance in the map, and also its label properties. You can get connected with us through our email, website, Facebook and Instagram page, and subscribe to our channel for new video notifications. Thank you for watching.